Alright, so before we get into the video today, I'm going to ask you to please drop a like and hit subscribe. So in today's video, we'll be cleaning out the shop, installing the dashboard, and replacing the dash. Stay tuned. So, here's the dashboard I cut out of PVC. In my opinion, it looks pretty nice. A little wavy. However, I'm about to sand that down, make it smooth. As you can see, I also have this cut out, AC. AC does not currently work in the car, so I won't be cutting that out just yet, but before I wrap it, I will do so. There's also two 4x6 speakers, 6x4, 4x6, whatever, that go in this dashboard. Now I'll bring it outside and sand it down. Alright, so the sun is setting. It's getting dark, so I won't be able to see you in a few minutes. However, we're here in the now, so we're going to get this done. Alright, I think I may have found a solution. So I'm going to go from 40 to 60 to 80 to 120 and 220. Let's get to work. Get a nice 2x4 or something with a nice straight edge, straight sharp edge. Put it up against the material. And as you can see, this is pretty darn good. Both sides are about equal. Now I can install the dash. Una más.